In this video, I'll show you guys how to receive payment on Whop. If this video helped, be sure to subscribe and like, and watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First you want to do is go to the Whop website, and once you're here, go all the way down to you see your profile picture. Click on your profile. Once you're here, it's going to say all these stuff, but what you want to click is balance. Now that you're here, it's going to say set up your payment account to get paid fast. Now what you want to do is just click set up Whop payment and select your country. Alright, now it's going to ask you to put your email, so just put in your email. Once you're done, what you want to do is put your email and phone number, but I'm going to blur mine, and then click submit. And it's going to send you a verification code. Alright, once you entered all your information, just click continue. Make sure it's individual, business type, and click continue. Now what you want to do is just enter your first name and last name, and your birthday and the last 4 digits of your social security number in order for you to accept money on Whop. If this video helped, be sure to subscribe and like.